Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Bia and this is our second video of Google Analytics Basics, and I am going to be showing you how to set up contact form tracking. So what you're going to do is, this is your home page of Google Analytics. You are going to go to the left hand side, click admin, and it'll take you to all the different functions you can do. Go over to the very far right, click on goals, create a new goal. So this is basically going to be tracking anytime that somebody fills out a contact form, and on your site you should have a thank you page or a spot that the user, once they fill out the contact form, is taken to after that, so that this is being tracked not just by people who have visited the contact form, but people who have actually used and filled out the contact form. So I'm going to click custom, continue, contacted on site. And you're going to do this under destination, because this is the website that you want. And then whatever the URL is of that page, you can just do slash if it's thank you. Type that in there, save. And then that goal is tracking. Make sure that you have it turned on. And that is our second video on tracking contact form submissions. Next, we're going to be talking about how to analyze the data that you've received from Google Analytics.